Hi, Makerspace, and this is assignment 10, and we are looking at fine-tuning an embedded model. So once you try to fix everything from the basic stuff to like chunk sizing and maybe re-ranking, you get to the really cool stuff, and that is fine-tuning the embeddings and the LLM. So in this case here, we're going to go through and we're going to take the Arctic embedding model and we're going to fine tune it. Process to start this, our basic stuff. We start off with our dependencies. We're using Llama Index this time, so that's kind of cool. But what we're going to do, basic concept, get the data, construct the fine-tuning data sets, fine-tune the snowflake, and then evaluate and then take a look at some data. So starting off, we grab this metric ton of data on camels and Apaches and llamas, and we drag this in to create our training files and our evaluation files. And once we have that set up in nodes, which is the nomenclature for Llama Index, we're going to construct the fine-tuning data set. And in my case, I got all 100 for the training set and the evaluation set for 10. And then we want to do is we want to set up and actually be able to fine-tune that. So we're going to run 4 epochs, and that's being built in this engine, and from that we're going to be able to pull that fine-tune embedding and be able to save it to Hugging Face. Unfortunately, I found a wonky thing. I don't know what the root cause is, but Hugging Face will not allow me to save to Hub unless I explicitly put the actual token in there. And voila, in the wonderful world of Hugging Face, I eventually do actually get the model there. So all good. Then we want to evaluate. So this is kind of cool. We want to see just exactly how our embedding model is working against others. So we need to be able to come up with a way to find out a way of measuring against this. We can run this against what we have for just the basic open AI's embedding model. I get 0.95, different from what the Wiz got in the example, but close. Anyways, but when I run just the basic Arctic, I get 0.5, and if I run it with the fine-tuned, I get 0.85. So take away from this, yes, if you can, you want to be able to get a whole bunch of data and be able to fine-tune your embedding model so that your retrieving is way better. And that's a take. Bye.